Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai Malabar Group, India's leading business conglomerate and the parent company of Malabar Gold and Diamonds, has allocated inner 150 crore in 2025-26 for scaling up its CSR initiative focused on healthcare, education, hunger and poverty alleviation, women empowerment, environment protection and housing for less privileged. Under its flagship CSR initiative, The Hunger Free World, the group has committed to distribute 70,000 meals daily in India and Zambia to the underprivileged, totaling 2.50 crore meal in 2025-26. This represents a significant leap from its cumulative achievement of 2.5 crore meals served over the past 3 years and signals independent commitment to the cause of food security for underserved communities. This initiative is aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal to Zero Hunger. At an event held at the Dr. Ambedkar International Center, Janpath, New Delhi on May 28, which also marks the World Hunger Day, Dr. Amitabh Kant, former CEO of NITI Aayog and G20 Sherpa, launched the next phase of the group's CSR programs. Other dignitaries included Mr. MP Ahmad, Chairman of Malabar Group, Mr. KP Abdul Salam, Vice Chairman of Malabar Group, and Mr. O. Ashir, Managing Director of India Operations and Malabar Gold and Diamonds. In Tamil Nadu region, Malabar Group will launch the initiative. The Malabar Group launched this initiative in the Tamil Nadu region, aiming to serve 6,460 nutritious meals daily. The program was officially flagged off by Mr. J. Karnanidhi, member of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, in the presence of Mr. Elumalai, 133 Ward Councillor, and Mr. Yasser, Tamil Nadu Region Head, and Mr. Amir Babu, North Region Head, and Mr. Shabir Ali, Tamil Nadu Merchandising Head. The Hunger Free World project currently distributes 70,000 meal packets daily across India and Zambia. The project operates state-of-the-art kitchens equipped with modern facilities and staffed by trained culinary experts and hygiene-conscious personnel. Environmental, social and governance and CSR have been the primary commitments of the group since its inception. The key focus areas of the Malabar Group of health, housing, hunger-free world, education, environment and women empowerment, integrating the principles of responsibility and sustainability into its core business.